Hey, this is Elon from Egard Watch Company, and I wanted to give you the top 3 giveaways that a watch is fake. 1. Misaligned markers and date wheels. This is commonly found on cheaper replica watches. You'll see that some of the markers around the watch are not perfectly placed. They're off on a slight angle because they don't have the same kind of quality control. And more so, you'll notice differences in the date window itself. Sometimes you'll notice the date window doesn't align perfectly, or that it's a little smaller or bigger, or that the numbers don't look the same on the date wheel as they do in the real version. Obviously, you need a side-to-side comparison to notice that, but a lot of the time, something like a misaligned numeral is far more obvious and an immediate giveaway usually for a high-end brand that it's fake, because high-end brands have very good quality control. 2. The second-hand ticks on an automatic watch. This is another dead giveaway. If the watch you're buying is automatic and you see the hand doing this, then you know that it is a quartz movement. And this is a dead giveaway that it is not a genuine piece. Now again, this is not foolproof. There's a lot of replicas nowadays, especially with the rise of Chinese automatic movements and how they're actually incredible movements, some of them, that it's very, very easy to finish a movement to look like another one and just pop it in a watch and get away with it being automatic. But if you do notice a secondhand ticking on a watch that's supposed to be automatic, that is an immediate giveaway that it is most likely a replica. 3. Complications that don't work. So what is a complication? A complication is anything that gives function to your watch beyond just telling the time. So a date window, a stopwatch, all of those things are complications. Complications tend to cost more money, especially in automatic watches. So if you have a watch that is automatic and it's supposed to have a chronograph, then the easiest thing to do is just click on that chronograph, make sure it works, make sure that it's automatic so it's sweeping. Even the chronograph hands are sweeping, they're not ticking. And then you know right off the bat that at least that much is taken care of, that it's an automatic movement and it actually has a functioning chronograph. So those are my 3 tips. None of them are foolproof. Like I said, there's incredible replicas nowadays that without opening the watch and looking inside, you wouldn't be able to tell. But those are 3 dead giveaways right off the bat that if you just look at a watch and you're curious and one of those things comes up, then you know with confidence that most likely the watch is a replica. Hopefully that helped, and have a good day.